Hello students, this is Shantan sir, and our unit 2 exam was completed, so we have to ready for our term 2 exam. So our first exercise or first chapter is algebra. After studying arithmetic and geometry, we shall now study a new branch of mathematics that's called algebra. Now just try to solve some problem and just try to understand using some example. Here is the exercise number 11.1. Here is the first problem. Find the rule which gives the number of matchsticks required to make the following patterns. So just tell me problem number 1. How many matchsticks you need for this figure? Only 2 matchsticks. Now problem number 2. Just tell me how many matchsticks you need for problem number 2. So problem number 2, here only 3. Okay, next how many? 1 2 3, and here 1 2 3, so total 6. Next how many? 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3, so total 9. Now we have to find the rule. So this is the multiple of 3, so it can be written as a 3 in the rule. If you put n equal to 1, then you will get first element. If you put n is equal to 2, then you will get second element, and if you put n is equal to 3, then you will get third element. Now try to solve problem number 3. The price of a banana is rupees 16 less than the price of an apple. Express the price of a banana in terms of the price of an apple. So in this case, we have to take read the question properly. The price of banana is 16 less than the price of apple. So we have to take let the price of a banana of a apple be x rupees. Okay, now what is the price of banana? The price of banana is 16 less than the price of apple. So the price of banana 16 less mean x minus 16. Okay, so express the price of a banana in terms of the price of an apple. So this is our final answer. Now in similar way, just try to solve problem number 2 of 3. Here is given the price of a textbook is 5 times the price of a notebook. So in this case, we have to let the price of a notebook. So let the price of a notebook equal to x. So the price of a textbook is 5 times the price of a notebook. So 5 times means 5 into x, and this is our final answer. Understood everyone? Now problem number 3, the price of a dosa is 4 times the price of a idli. So in this case, we have to let the price of a idli equal to x. So what is the price of dosa? Is 4 times the price of idli. So the price of a dosa equal to 4x, and this is our final answer. Understood everyone? So in similar way, just try to solve all the problem at your home. Now just try to solve problem number 5. Problem number 5 is given the number of dolls Chitra has 7 more. The number of dolls Chitra has is 7 more than twice the number of dolls Charu has. So question number 1, find the rule for finding the number of dolls Chitra has, given that Charu has C dolls. So Charu has C dolls. So given here Charu has C dolls. So the number of dolls Chitra. So Chitra has 7 more than twice the number of dolls of Charu. So twice means 2C plus 7 more. 2C plus C. This is our final answer of question number 1. Next is given, calculate the number of dolls Chitra would be having if Charu has 4 dolls. Now this is 1 and this is 2. If Charu has 4 dolls, so Charu has 4 dolls. Then Chitra has 2 into 4 plus 7. That's mean 2 4s are 8 plus 7. That's mean 15 dolls. Okay. In the similar way, now try to solve question number 6. Here is given the age of Ravi's father is 3 more than 4 times his own age. The age of Ravi's grandfather is twice the age of Ravi's father. Find the rule finding the age of Ravi's father given that Ravi's age is n years. So 6-1. Given that Ravi's is equal to n years. N. So now tell me, what is the Ravi's father says? So Ravi's father age will be 3 more than 4 times his own age. So his own age is n. Now 4 times 3 more than. So 4n plus 3. Next, the age of Ravi's grandfather is twice the age of Ravi's father is. So Ravi's grandfather age equal to twice the Ravi's age, Ravi's father age. So 2 into 4n plus 3. That's mean 4 2s are 8n plus 6. This is the final answer of question number 1. Next is given, find the age of Ravi's father is if Ravi's is 7 years old. So if Ravi's father is, if Ravi is 7 years old, so we have to find Ravi's father is, and problem number 2, Ravi's father is 4n plus 3, and here n is Ravi's age and Ravi's age given n is equal to, here is n is equal to 7. So put here only in the places of n 7. So 4 into 7 plus 3. So 4 7s are 28 plus 3, that means 31. Next, problem number 3. Find the rule for finding the age of Ravi's grandfather if Ravi's father age is a years. Now, if Ravi's father age, Ravi's father age a years, then Ravi's grandfather will be twice of Ravi's father, 2a. Okay. Now similarly, Ravi's age is n years and it's already computed. Now in similar way, just try to solve all the problem of exercise number 11.1, and this is your only homework. Okay. Bye everyone.